Hi friends, today I'll talk about sweat loss and fat loss. If you see climate is good enough, like pleasant enough in the mornings and evenings, and of course you're sweating less. So what I want to talk about is a lot of time people use sweat loss and fat loss as the same thing. But try and understand that sweat loss and fat loss is not equal. Whenever you're doing a sweat loss, it is the water which is getting lost from the body through the sweating and the electrolyte in it. So there is no where fats is going, it's only water. And also, as I explained in my last video, that fats is deposited in adipose tissues. You need to pump it out into the bloodstream and then utilize it as a fuel through the right combination of exercise, nutrition, and the lifestyle, of course. So that is how you experience fat loss in the body, and not through sweat loss. So you may not do a sweat loss, or maybe very very little, but you can still make the good amount of fat loss with the right combination of exercise and all that. So a very reason for this is all cold countries when the climate is very cool and freezing throughout the year. Very rarely they get a climate which is a little hot and humid. That means they'll not be able to do fat loss, and it is so easy that you just walk into a steam room for half an hour and a good amount of sweat loss will take place. That means you're losing fats? No. So try and understand sweat loss and fat loss is not one and the same. Sweat loss is only water loss and the electrolytes getting lost from the body. And fat loss is fat loss with the right combination. You will always experience the fat loss without doing any sweat loss.